Hey everyone. So, we've all seen those cool, futuristic smartphones with folding screens, right? But what's next for smartphones? Will folding phones be the new norm, or is there something even crazier on the horizon? Well, in today's video, we're talking about the future of smartphones and all the exciting tech coming our way. First, let's talk about folding screens. A few years ago, we were all blown away by the idea of a phone that folds in half. Now, brands like Samsung and Motorola are already releasing these phones. But these aren't just cool gimmicks. Folding screens could change how we use our phones entirely. Think about having a tablet-sized screen that folds into your pocket. It could mean bigger, more immersive displays without the need for a larger phone. And as the technology improves, these folding screens could get even thinner, lighter, and more durable. But folding screens are just the beginning. The next big thing could be rollable screens. Imagine a phone that unrolls like a scroll, giving you a bigger display whenever you need it and then shrinking down to fit in your pocket. Companies like LG have already shown off concepts like this, and it's only a matter of time before we see it in stores. Now, let's talk about performance. As folding and rollable screens become mainstream, we're going to see even more powerful chips and faster processors inside smartphones. This means better multitasking, faster apps, and smoother gaming experiences, all packed into a device that fits in your hand. And don't forget about AI. In the future, your phone will be smarter than ever, predicting your needs and offering assistance before you even ask. Whether it's automatically adjusting settings based on your location or helping you find the best deals while shopping, AI will make your phone feel more like a personal assistant. Lastly, let's not forget about battery life. While we're getting all these cool new features, the big question is, will our batteries keep up? With 5G and bigger displays, smartphones will demand more power. But don't worry, companies are working on faster charging, longer-lasting batteries, and even solar-powered phones. So, whether it's folding, rollable, or just smarter and faster, the future of smartphones is definitely exciting. What do you think? Will you be getting a folding phone soon, or are you more excited about something else? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more future tech videos.